got water. Thanks, cuz. Steered me in the right direction. My God. We got water. I'm scared to go back to the street and check it, but I'll have to. Alright, right now I'm going to try to water all the animals and get up out of here and get to work. What's up, y'all? What's up? Welcome back. Glad you're here. Alright, but for today's task, got our water bill in. It don't look right. Something's going on. Alright, so with that, my wife is smart. Alright, we think we got a leak. She's smart. She looked out at the meter and said, man, it's looking a little green. So we think we got a leak at the meter. I'm going to check it out. I'll show y'all the difference in the grass. Maybe y'all see a little during the process. Hopefully we find it, figure out what to do. Stay tuned. Alright, here's our normal grass, dirt, dead leaves, all that good stuff. You get up here, hard to tell on the camera, but it's a little green right here. Got a little green, alright? Yeah, it's still cracking. That's good, it's a slow leak, but it's a little green up here on this little mound. So let's check it out, y'all. Alright, so if we flip this here, see it's definitely more moist in there, right around that connection. Pretty anywhere else out in the yard, if I touch that, look at that, we got mud, alright? Not a major leak. I mean, heck, a leak's a leak. Ain't no telling how long we've been paying for it, but hopefully I can dig, see how much it's dripping. Not a plumber, but hopefully we can figure out what we need to do. Stay tuned. All right, so it's definitely a leak. You can see here, as soon as I started digging around it, it was just a slow leak. As soon as I started digging around, moving the pipe a little bit, whole lot of water, whole lot of. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully we can get the water turned back on. Let's see. Back at it again. We're here, my favorite go-to place. All right, the Home Depot. If you're a Lowe's kind of guy, I'm sorry. Can't get with it, all right? Home Depot it is. Got everything I needed. Cousin helped me out, told me everything I needed to get. How to do it. We'll see if that's enough. Yeah, I could have told him, I need you. Sometimes you gotta live a little. All right, we finna live. Hopefully, living a little don't cost me water at the house for another day. All right, gotta get the water on, get the babies back to the house. I gotta get to work. All right, so early morning, we're beeping because I ain't buckled. Let me buckle. All right, safety first. I'm buckled, light is green. We are driving, headed to the house, about to knock this out. When I say knock this out, when I say knock this out, I wish I really could just knock it out. I hope I do, man, but every time, I ain't gonna say it. Every time I think, I'm gonna knock it out, it'll be something quick, I get there, and there goes the day. So hopefully not. Hopefully we can knock it out, get it done. By we, I mean me. But hopefully I can knock it out, get it done. Get on with the day, get the water in the house. That's the plan. Man, I hope so. Shout out to the cuz. Appreciate it, Brad. We are legit 20 minutes later on my way home, and we are back at the Home Depot. Forgot something, all right? I told the guy I'd be back. I told him I'd be back. Because normally that's how it works with Home Depot. Gotta get something else. I didn't think I'd be back before I got home. But here we are. Let's get it. Stop number 2 in the books. Completed. Got everything we need. Now we're close to the house. About to be to the house. I want to give y'all real life time. See how long it takes to actually do this. No, I'm not a plumber. I've never done anything plumbing wise on my own. I've been successful. All right. I may have tried, but here we are. All right. Right now, it is 8 o'clock on the dot. 8:00. About 5-7 minutes from the house. I'll get there. I'll keep you posted. Let's see how quick we knock this out. And by quick, I won't be reckless with it, but let's just knock it out, get it done, get the water on so I can get a shower and get to work. All right. Stay tuned, man. This could be funny. Yesterday I started the video just showing y'all, got a little leak. I cut off the camera and water just starts shooting everywhere. Gotta give me a little strapped on GoPro or something, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Back at it again, man. In the car, not where we're supposed to be. Should have listened to my cousin. Should have listened. Instead, Home Depot guy's like, no, you don't need a male piece. You need a female piece. You're coming from the meter. Get the female, don't get the male. Scratch whatever you heard. And I'm like, sure. He said male. He's a plumber. You sure? Man, get female. Listen to me. I'm here all day. Yeah, you're right. You here all day, every day. Mess me up, my guy. All right, so headed back to Home Depot. Going to return that. Get the male piece I need. So I don't make any mistakes. I actually brought one I took off. Match it up. Perfect. All right, but I ended up cutting off the section that I'm going to replace. Took off that male piece from the meter so I can have that to look at when I get here. But hopefully it's smooth sailing after this. No more Home Depot trips. This is it. We done. All right, here we are walking back up on the spot of the crime scene. All right, that's what I needed. And I finally got it. So here we are. A little before and after. Hopefully I can show y'all before and after of running water up here when we get here. Real soon, real soon. Stay tuned. Here's what the update looks like. Cut that, got that out. Pulled that male piece out of there. Realized I didn't have it. Ran to the store and got that. We're gonna see if we can make this happen. Stay tuned. All right, so that's what we're working with. I'm gonna prep a little bit, clean it a little bit with my hand dandy baby wipes. This for that couplet that's gonna be on there. I want it to be able to be nice and tight. I won't be out here doing this again. Not in the future, not in the near future, ever. That'd be cool if I never had to do this again. But hey, learning experience. Let's see. All right, got that decent. This over here's a different story. See if I can put something on there to stand up a bit. There we go. Beautiful. All right, don't judge me. Not acting like I know what I'm doing here. Oh gosh. Let me stop talking and focus. It's got a lot on there. Hopefully there's no such thing as too much. Beautiful. Alright, hopefully that's good. What you call this stuff here? PTFE thread seal tape. Alright, you got that? I got that now. All right, let's see if we can get her in there. Piece I didn't have because I listened to the guy. Home Depot, not my cousin. All right, let me see how I get down in there. Boy, this ground is hard as a rock. All right, where's that? Think of a jig at. Jeez. Oh, man. All right, making a little progress here, a little bit. Not enough. Sheesh. Woo! I thought as I'd let it dry, I'd go catch up on chores, go water all the animals. Ha! The water ain't on. Ain't got water for the animals. Yesterday after I wrapped up here, we're about to leave. I want to go wash my hands, get the mud off. No water. Man. Hopefully we fix that. All right, give me about 5 minutes. We'll see. Show y'all a moment of truth. All right, we want to be able to hear the water, but we don't want to see no water. All right, we want to hear it, know it's flowing, but we don't want to see it dripping out. Let's see. Golly. Oh, turned the wrong way. Oh, I hear it. Come on, y'all. It's on. Don't want to speak too soon. Don't see any water yet. Make sure we can see up under here. Let's see. Let's see if we see anything over here. I don't see nothing. All right, this is where the seal was broke. Right where that blue stuff is, that's where the water was coming out. All right, for now, I think we're good. Awesome, awesome. We got water. We got water. Thanks, cuz. You steered me in the right direction. My God. We got water. I'm scared to go back to the street and check it, but I'll have to. All right, right now I'm gonna try to water all the animals and get up out of here and get to work. Thank y'all for staying tuned on Doty Plumbing. Hopefully it's a one-time fix. I ain't gotta do any more plumbing, hopefully. Y'all be safe. We'll see y'all.